Hello, Boom Squad. It's your boy Warren Rapanga. Today, I want to tell you guys how I feel. Yo, I'm been feeling sick for a couple of 2 weeks. I was in the hospital. I wasn't feeling good, so my tooth and my ears. As you guys can see, there's cotton inside my ears, and this is swollen. And I wanted to tell you guys, you guys just be scrolling. You guys must think how I feel. I feel sad because no one's subscribing, no one's liking. They just watch my videos 2 times and not even subscribe or like or share or comment. All I'm asking for a like, share, comment, and subscribe. People, you don't know how if I don't make if someone you I'm a smoker right now. Someone you also smoker right, and I just go watch your videos 2 times, no subscribe. Feel how I will feel. You will feel sad, lonely. No one's like I support you guys, but you guys don't support me. There's some people out there who actually support me and I support them, but some people here in this world, they just don't support me. That's why I don't support them back. But I will support them because they are the reasons I'm in this world. I just need a comment, a share, a like, or subscribe. I'm feeling pain. I feel sometimes. It's hard. I just need a comment, a share, a like, or subscriber. At least get my channel until 10 million. I'm at 14. That's embarrassing. People laugh at me, they take pop of me, but I don't like that. I feel sad. I support you guys. You guys don't support me. As you guys are swollen. And this is the one thing what's protecting me. The mind. Is something in here, going in my mouth. The wind. I was go to the hospital for another 2 weeks, sitting in a coma. And you guys know you guys don't want that of me, and I don't want it for myself. And I don't want that to happen to you guys, because you guys are the reasons I started this channel. There's some people out there who doesn't care about me, but I care about them. It just not feel sometimes. It's hard to get where you want to be one day. One day you're just going another place to another place, seeing other people enjoy their life. They worked hard, right? But sometimes you never know the future. Just like my future. I don't know my future. You guys don't know your future. Only God knows. God's gonna make it right for us. That's all I wanted to say, guys. Just make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.